Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or delete your recovery email in Gmail full 2026 guide. It's super easy, and yeah, it helps keep your account secure and up to date. First, sign into your Gmail account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the account you want to update the recovery email for. That's really important. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. This opens the full account settings dashboard. Next, go to the Personal Info tab from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the section that says Contact Info, and there you'll see Recovery Email. To change your recovery email, click on it, enter your account password if prompted, and then type the new email address you want to use. Click Save, and you're done super quick. If you want to delete the recovery email instead, click the trash or remove icon next to the current recovery email. Confirm when prompted, and the email will be removed. And that's it. You've successfully changed or deleted your Gmail recovery email in 2026. Keeping this updated is a simple way to secure your account. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Gmail tips and tutorials.